So have you driven the both automatic and then stick shift?
Have I?
Yeah.
I've only driven the automatic.
Automatic. Okay.
Yeah.
You don't know how to drive stick?
Yeah, I know how to drive stick.
Oh, okay. Because you know, I'm a racer, so
Really?
yeah. I mean, even that truck is just stick. TRD Pro.
All right.
You know, I had to find it from Washington.
Okay.
Yeah. It's hard to find that car.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Ready?
10 speed, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's put on the fastest mode. So how do you change it?
Oh, that's the steering. Sport mode?
The race mode?
Sport?
Sport, and then is that race? Oh, Sport Plus.
Plus.
Okay, Sport Plus. Is that Sport Plus?
Yeah.
Okay. So from the inside, it's pretty quiet.
Yeah. You know what? Yeah, go that
Go
way.
this way?
Yeah.
Then
Straight
what?
ahead, straight ahead.
Straight ahead?
Yeah.
Let's go somewhere I can kind of.
Yeah, I want to take you over here because over here there was not really that much.
Suspension is pretty firm.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Besides that truck, what do you drive?
Oh, I have total 6 cars right now.
Okay.
Yeah, I have the new Boxster Spider. I mean Boxster GTS 4.0
Oh, nice.
manual.
Nice.
And then the Camaro LT1 manual V8.
Okay.
And then the E60 M5, the V10 manual.
Nice.
And then Cayenne, just family car.
Right.
And then what else?
truck.
The BRZ 2.4 manual.
Nice.
And then the TRD Pro manual.
Nice.
So I'm trying to add a few more.
Yeah.
Yeah, but then I don't know which one. I want to buy something that keeps a value,
Right.
not something that
Right
tanks,
here, make
you
a
know?
left. This is a nice turn radius over here.
Make a U-turn?
No,
Or-
go left.
Okay. Go straight?
Yeah, go straight. Actually, you know what? Make a right. This is a good straightaway over here where you can pick up some good speed. It's a rough road, but
Yeah, I know.
it's a good.
Let's put the hold on. I put on the manual, and then it doesn't shift automatically.
So put it on neutral
Huh?
and then go back.
And then go back.
Yeah.
Now it's automatic.
Now it
right?
should be.
Okay.
Yeah, it should be.
Man, they should spend some money to repave this.
I know, right?
Yeah, it's been like years and years. Like it's been like this 10 years ago, 20 years ago.
Yeah. What's up, Papa? No, not anymore. The customer was the Jeremy. Well, we're gonna have to put it up on the roof anyways because I think he's not gonna pick it up until Monday. If he, yeah, okay, bring it then. Okay, cool. All right. Bye.
I'm gonna-
So on our way back, if you want, we'll pick up some more speed.
Okay. Yeah, I like the sound. They should make more cars like this.
Right?
Yeah. you want to make a
we'll make a right.
Yeah. I also have the Camaro LT1, the 6.2. Sounds okay. Sounds a little different. I don't know which one sounds better. I like the Mustang sound better actually. You know, it has more rumble.
Yeah.
So is the sound adjustable? Is the muffler adjustable?
Yeah. You can do it on quiet mode, sport mode.
We're on the sport mode.
We're on
right?
normal right now.
We're on normal?
Yeah.
Can you make it louder?
Exhaust?
Yeah.
The exhaust, yes.
Can you make it louder?
I gotta see right now.
Huh?
I gotta see.
You gotta see? How?
So, there's an option for your exhaust right there where the pony's at. Where your thumb.
Okay, here?
Right there. Click on that. Exhaust mode.
Oh, wait. So, okay.
Okay. So you see, you're on sport mode. Then there's track mode.
Is it louder now?
It should be. It's a slight difference. It's not like a huge difference.
I see.
And then you can also put it on quiet, like it won't.
Yeah, let's try the quiet. Let's see how quiet it is.
Difference, huh?
Yeah. There should be a way that you can actually change back to so you can actually change it.
Yeah.
Yeah, going back and forth.
Oh yeah.
So Mach 1s are much rarer than GTs, right?
Yes.
So do you take orders too?
No.
Oh, 30 Pro.
Like yours?
Yeah. So you don't take orders on the cars?
Not on Mach ones.
Why not?
Just regular ones. High performance ones, they're not open.
Oh. So GTs you can order.
You can order GT. Yeah.
So Mach 1s you have to choose from the inventory that you guys have.
That is
or
correct.
something that is incoming.
Exactly.
I see.
Right here, son. Right here. Right here. How'd you like it? That's quiet mode.